Welcome, my people. So, in this video, we will be doing a market forecast on GBPUSD. And so, in this market forecast, we will be trying to identify price direction. We'll be trying to identify what prices we'll be able to do in the future. So, beginning the analysis or the market forecast, we will start on the higher time frame, and I will start on the weekly time frame. So guys, looking at the charts clearly, we are able to see that from this lowest point which was created here, price has been creating a break of structure to the upside, break of structure to the upside, break of structure to the upside. Telling us there's a possibility of price to continue moving to the upside. There's also a possibility that price might move from here to target this 1 week supply zone. Price might move to target this 1 week supply zone, guys. So based on this concept, that's the first thing. Price has continued being bullish, giving us a potential of it to continue to move up. And moreover, another concept we're able to see here or to notice is that price has always been reacting on demand zones or the areas of demand. These are areas where there's a lot of high buying pressure. So remember, guys, demand zones and supply zones provide higher possibility of reaction on higher time frame. Based on this concept, we come into the chart up to this level to be able to see something. Here is a demand zone which was created on this 1 month time frame, and here is another demand zone within this 1 month demand zone. This is a weekly demand zone which was also created. So based on this, we have two possible areas of price reaction. Price has been reacting within this 1 week demand zone which was created. So we will scale down to the lower time frame to see if we are able to spot opportunities here. So personally, on my point of view, I think price might provide us a reaction here and give us a buy. You understand? We must not trade to target right up to the zone directly because price must act, because it's very simple. There are many possibilities. Price might react here based on my forecast to give us a buy. Yeah, but we should always take in consideration that price might also give us a buy for a short term trade and react here before going up. Understand, guys? Or at the same time, price might simply give us the very buy at this very level. It might give us this reaction and give us this buy and target at once. So price might react from here and move directly to this supply zone, the same way as price might give us a simple reaction and then drop down into this other demand zone. So everything is possible. But based on this idea, I have to scale down to the lower time frame. So since I'm on the weekly time frame, I have to go down to the daily time frame to be able to see what's happening. So personally, based on my forecast within this GBP USD, I'm expecting a buy within this zone. So this week we are expecting a buy after the NFP and the CPI news of last week providing a lot of reaction. We are expecting a buy. I'm expecting a buy, but to confirm the buy, I'll be able to. I should be able to scale to the lower time frame to be able to spot some opportunities. And also, guys, for those trading support and resistance, you guys can clearly see that this was a resistance zone which became support, guys. This was a resistance zone which became support. So taking that into consideration, this is what we see. So there's a lot of possibility here that price might actually provide a reaction here and give us a buy. So that is all for the weekly time frame. We scale now down to the daily time frame. And upon coming to the daily time frame, we clearly, guys, we see that price has been bullish all through the daily, creating a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So I expect another higher high to go upward. So the daily time frame is also telling us that the market is bullish. You understand, guys? So remember, price has always been reacting within demand and supply zones, and this is a demand zone formed on the weekly time frame. And the weekly time frame is telling us market is still bullish, and the daily time frame is telling us market is still bullish. But there's a possibility that price might go up. So, but because of that, we should not also neglect the fact that price might actually also provide just a reaction and continue to dump to come into the zone. But first of all, our high level of probabilities for price to give us this reaction to go up means if we are able to spot buy, we should start looking for buying opportunities within this area. So scaling down now into the 4 hour time frame and give us a broader view of the market. So into the 4 hour time frame now, we are looking for buying opportunities. So we scale into the 4 hour time frame, and we see clearly on the 4 hour time frame that there's what we call accumulation of liquidity. Like all what you guys see here is what we call liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity accumulation within the market, you guys. What's happened? There's a lot of liquidity here that has been accumulated within this area. And so that's another possibility that it's telling us, okay, what my price might react from here. Price might give us a buy, which will enable us to sweep out this liquidity, guys. And remember, there's also all the liquidity that's been here, that was here, has been swept. All this liquidity that was below here has been swept due to this CPI move. This move was based off on CPI's news last week, and it provided a reaction which swept away this liquidity below. So we're expecting liquidity above to be swept. So that is in another confluence telling us there's a possibility for a buy. So we scale again to the 1 hour time frame. And coming to the 1 hour time frame, I decided to spot more areas of liquidities. And spotting an area of liquidity here, we can clearly see that these are Asian highs and Asian lows. Presently, this is presently the price has not yet taken out this Asian Asian liquidity. This is the Asian liquidity, this is the Asian low liquidity, and this is the Asian high liquidity. But if you guys clearly can pinpoint, you guys will see that this Asian high liquidity has been taken. It's quite small, but it has been taken. So what we're expecting, we're expecting price to come down, provide a reaction to sweep this liquidity, give us a change of structure, and we take a buy. Understand? Taking a buy, we're targeting all this liquidity that is sitting above this area. You can decide to target all this liquidity up to this area, but there's that's for somebody who is a swing trader. If you're a swing trader, you might target liquidity far up to the area, but if you're a day trader, you might look for an entry opportunity only after this liquidity here has been swept, and trying to target the nearest point of liquidity, which is this, or you can target the furthest point of liquidity. So scaling now into the 30-minute time frame and into the 15-minute time frame, I'm scaling down until I'm able to spot a demand zone which has not been mitigated. For example, this is a 15-minute demand zone because this was the lowest point that broke it. It was the lowest point here which broke the structure, went to the upside. So telling us price has been bullish. And if I scale more down to the 5-minute time frame, I think I'll be able to spot a 5 minute. Okay, look clearly, this is exactly what I'm talking about. I just want to highlight the point. This is a 5 minute. I'm on the 5-minute time frame, guys, as you guys can see, and I want to just identify the 5-minute demand zone sitting below the Asian low liquidity. I want it to appear on the other time frames. Then we are good to go. So this is the 5-minute demand zone. So based on the 5-minute demand zone, I'm expecting price to come down to the five. Why am I expecting price to come down to the 5-minute demand zone? Simply, I'm expecting price to come down because I want this Asian low liquidity to be swept. Remember, there's in trading and in my system, I consider Asian high and Asian low as points of liquidity, and there's always a possibility that most of the times, 80% of the time, the Asian high and Asian low liquidity are always taken out during the London session or the New York session. See, the both ends were taken out by price. They were taken out by price. Here was not taken out. Yes, that's why it's 80%. Here was taken out. So based on that, my possibility is for price to come down and take out Asian this Asian low liquidity and give us a change, sweep the liquidity, give us a change of structure, then we take a buy from here. Or if it doesn't provide it like this to this level, we expect it to provide it like this to this level. And simple. This is what we're expecting. So, guys, my analysis are done for now, and I've been able to spot a buy opportunity with you guys. So, you guys should watch my videos. Stay tuned and watch out. Continue to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay blessed, like, share, comment. Ciao.